9 months as the Liberal Party's first female leader, and now she's walking away from Parliament entirely. What just happened with Susan Ley? And why does it matter for Australian politics? Here's what we know. Susan Ley lost a leadership challenge today and was replaced by Angus Taylor. She's been leader for 9 months after the coalition worst election defeat in 81 years. But here's the bigger move. She's not just stepping down as a leader, she's resigning from parliament after 25 years, representing Farrer in New South Wales. She won the seat back in 2001 by just 206 votes and held it through the nine re-election. In her speech, Lee thanks the party room for the gift of leadership and said she has no hard feeling toward those who voted against her. She pointed to achievements like establishing a royal commission into anti Semitism and landing an energy policy in November. She acknowledged the job was tough, leading after historic loss, but said ordinary Australians facing their own struggles keep everything in perspective. Her resignation will trigger a by election in Farrer, giving the new leader clear air without the distraction of her presence. She's leaving politics entirely to spend time with family and return to her passion for aviation. So, 9 months as the first female Liberal leader, what does this moment leave behind? A historic leadership, a sudden replacement, and a 25-year political career ending on her own terms. Where does they leave the coalition now?